Hi, welcome to NAB 2022. We're here on the Studio Technologies stand with Gordon Capes to talk about one of his latest units, the Model 392. So, hi Gordon, how you doing?
Good,
Tell us
thank
a bit more
you.
about the Model 392 and why you want to talk about it today.
I love this product.
Go on.
It was really fun to develop. We're engineers, so in my limited ability to have fun, this was a great thing to do. The Model 392 is designed to connect to an Ethernet network, power over Ethernet, and give you the ability to make a on-air light, a room busy light, but again, connected to a network with lots of configuration ability.
Right.
The product came about because a consultant came to us and said, we want to be able to have an on-air light. I said, well, go buy one, they're not expensive. He said, but installation these days is very costly. We have to have a separate power supply, separate wiring. We have to have a different level of technician to install it,
right.
Which was a revelation to me. He said, so
Makes
if we
sense.
have to pay a little bit more for the hardware, the fact that it's part of our network will save us long term. So it's an insignificant thing that can become significant when you're designing.
Ease of installation.
Right, ease of installation. This has red, green, blue LEDs. You can set the color, you can set the intensity, you can set whether it's solid or flashes. You can control it with UDP commands. You can set it with you can enable it with high frequency audio tones that many of our products produce. So, and it fits in a standard US, and I hope that they're available around the world, electrical box.
I'm sure we'll find it if we had to.
Right, if you have to, goes in an application.
Brilliant.
And it's an interesting little product that's really representative of what we do, which is respond to our customers' needs, help them achieve their goals for their customers.
Absolutely, fantastic. Well, this is one of 3 videos that we're doing, and if people want to find out more information, where do we send them?
They can go to our website, which is studio-tech, T-E-C-H for tech.com. We have high-res photos, we have information about the product, and if that doesn't answer their questions, call or write. We will respond to their requests, and we love talking tech with the customers.
Brilliant, thank you very much. Make sure you go there. Yeah, look at the other videos and look at everything else that we're doing at NAB 2022 at kitplus.com. Thank you.